morning children. Today we are going to start next topic of the carbon and its compound. Characteristic of all carbon compound we first discuss about the covalent bond, functional group and homologous series and isobars. Next we are going to learn today the properties of hydrocarbons. What are the properties of hydrocarbons? Physical properties and chemical properties. You already know physical properties can be observed, can be measured, it may be boiling point or melting point of them. But coming to the chemical properties, the reactions will be there, chemical reactions. So here the reactions of hydrocarbons. Today we are going to discuss about the 4 reactions of the hydrocarbons. First one, combustion. Combustion means burning. If hydrocarbons will burn, the burning happens. What is the happening there? And what is the reactant products we are getting? Next, oxidation. Oxidation means reaction with the oxygen. Next, addition, adding the atoms to the carbon chain. And next, substitution reaction means substituting the atoms or functional groups. So these are the 4 reactions we are going to discuss today. Let's go one by one. So first, combustion reaction. Carbon in all its allotropic forms. You already learned in the first part of this chapter. Allotropic forms already, diamond, graphite and so on. So next, methane. You have noticed that children, the wood, you burn the wood, you can clear yellow and white color flame we will get. But we will flame, if you own the gas, LPG gas flame, what will be blue color? Why it is that? Why the flames are different over there here? You already learned the hydrocarbons are saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons are there. So we are seeing. I will first give the definition for the combustion. Combustion is the process in which oxygen atoms breaks with carbon bonds, that means new. For example, here that is the methane. If the methane reacts with that, what will happen? The process by which oxygen atoms are break. Here oxygen atoms will break and combine here and form the water here to build carbon bond, that means the new atoms form. So methane, so unsaturated are unable to break the bond. Here saturated can break the bond, hydrocarbon can break the bond, but we are talking about unsaturated are unable to break the bond. For example, they are giving here when this reheated to that acidifies oxidizing agent add to the substance are most reacted, reduced everything. What is the steps here? So first I will say that combustion is a process which oxygen atom breaks with carbon bonds and means we are going to know only the saturated hydrocarbons can break the bond, but unsaturated are unable to break the bond in the combustion reaction. Next we move to the addition reaction. Let's see what is the addition reaction. It is a reaction in which one molecule combines with another molecule to form the larger molecule with no other products. So unsaturated addition will get here. For example, we are taking only the vegetable oil. Vegetable oil we can see here. So vegetable oils and difference between vegetable oil and saturated and vanaspati ghee. Let's see what is the difference here. So it consists of long unsaturated hydrocarbons. In the vegetable oil, it consists of long and saturated hydrocarbons. When we are going to talk about the vanaspati ghee, or they are low saturated hydrocarbons. It is a liquid at room temperature, so it does not stick to the arteries. It is a solid at room temperature, so it can stick to arteries and can cause the blockage. So vegetable oil, they are given the example for unsaturated hydrocarbons, that the formula I have given there. And so let's see. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Next, going to the addition reaction, and the oxidation reaction means reaction with the oxygen. Combustion when these two reactions will combine. Next, substitution reaction. What is the substitution reaction? What is the definition of substitution reaction? It is a type of reaction in which one atom or another or group of atoms takes place of another atom. For saturated hydrocarbon are less reactives here. In presence of sunlight, if the methane, in presence of sunlight, you know already now, if we coming to here, CH4, methane, if I take react with the chlorine in presence of sunlight, CH3Cl plus HCl, and this will react CH3Cl plus Cl2 with the presence of sunlight. We will get here CHCl3 plus HCl, and next CHCl3 plus Cl2 CCl4 plus HCl. So you can, it is the chain reaction. You can hear chain reaction here. What is the difference you saw here? Methane reacts with here and with the chlorine you got CH3Cl HCl. Next HCH3HCl will react with, you got here HCH2 HCl2 plus HCl, and next CH2L2 react with CH3 plus HCl, and next CH3 will come here same thing only. What is this here? 3, 2, 4 like that here. You can see your chain reactions we can see in these examples. So substitution reaction, substituting the atoms or functional group, substituting the other atoms instead of hydrogen atom, we are adding the some other atoms or functional groups. I will repeat once again the definition. It is a type of reaction in which one atom or a group of atoms take the place of another atom. This is that saturated. In presence of sunlight, methane reacts with the chlorine. That is the formation I written here formula. When the methane reacts with the chlorine with the presence of sunlight. These are the reactions. So once again I will repeat what are the four types of reactions of the all properties of the hydrocarbon coming to chemical and physical properties, and what is the reactions we are learning: combustion reaction, oxidation reaction, addition reaction, and substitution reaction. What is the combustion means? Burning. When we burn the wood, we get the yellow flame, and when we burn the methane gas, in the biogas also methane, in the LPG also methane. If you burn, we get the pure blue color flame. Why that? We already learned hydrocarbons are two types: saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Yes, no? So saturated hydrocarbon. So here the oxidation reaction is reaction with oxygen, and addition reaction adding the atoms to the carbon chain. We are adding the atoms to the carbon chain. Next, substitution reaction means we are substituting the atoms or other functional groups instead of hydrogen atom. So what is the combustion for definition? We can say it is a process which oxygen atom breaks with the carbon bonds. It will breaks with the carbon bond, that means new. So next, coming to the addition reaction, what is the definition we can give? It is a reaction in which one molecule combines with another molecule to form a larger molecule with number of other products. Means in the reaction one molecule, for example one molecule means H2. H2 is a molecule, O2 is a molecule. The molecules combine with some other molecules form the larger molecules with no products. So next we are given the difference between vegetable oil and basmati ghee. So what is the difference between vegetable oil and basmati ghee? It consists of long unsaturated hydrocarbon in the vegetable oil. In the basmati ghee, that consists of long saturated hydrocarbons are there. And this is vegetable oil, you already know it is in the liquid form at the room temperature, but it is solid form at the room temperature. Ghee and so it is not stick to the arteries, but here they can cause the blockage while they are sticking to the arteries. Next, coming to the substitution reaction. What is the substitution reaction definition? It is a type of reaction in which one atom or a group of atoms make the place of another atom. So that's a substitution reaction, means substituting the some other atoms or functional group instead of hydrogen atoms. So I hope you clear what is the four types of reactions are. Chemical reactions of hydrocarbon, that only will come under the properties of hydrocarbon. If they ask properties of hydrocarbon, the chemical properties you can write here. Reactions of the hydrocarbons: combustion reaction, oxidation, addition and substitution reaction. Thank you children, thank you so much.